Alright, so here we're going to look and see how to determine if a number is divisible by 6. Now I've got 4 examples I'm going to show you. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Look at the first one. So I got 15,522. Alright, so to determine if a number is divisible by 6, well, 2 and 3 are factors of 6. The number has to be divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, so that's the two that we have to check. We have to make sure that 2 divides into the number evenly, and we have to make sure that 3 divides into the number evenly. Alright, so first, does 2 divide into the number evenly? Yes, 2 does, because 2 divides into an even number evenly. So if the number is even, 2 divides into that number evenly. Okay, now we got to check to see if 3 divides into the number evenly. Well, I've got a separate video on this, but I guess you're going to get it here. So how do we determine if 3 divides into the number? Well, if you take each of the digits and you add them up, okay, so we get 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 2 is 15. So you take the sum of the digits, and then if we do 15 divided by 3, does 3 divide into 15 evenly? Yes, it does. Okay, it goes in there 5 times. So that means if 3 divides into the sum of the digits, then 3 divides into this number evenly. So we've concluded that 2 divides into this number evenly and 3 divides into this number evenly. So that means this number is divisible by 6. 6 divides into this number evenly. Okay, let's look at another one. Alright, so we've got 7,458. Alright, pause the video and see if you can do it real quick. See if you can determine if it's divisible by 6. Alright, so let's look at it. Well, right off we know that 2 divides into the number evenly, okay, because it's an even number. So that one works. Now we have to check and see if 3 divides into the number evenly. So we can add all the digits up. Okay, so 7 plus 4, that's 11, plus 5 is 16, and 16 plus 8 is 24. Well, 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. So 3 divides into the sum of the digits evenly. So 3 divides so 3 divides into this number evenly. So that means 2 divides into the number evenly and 3 divides into the number evenly. So that means 6 divides into this number evenly. All right. Let's look at another one. Alright, so we got 1,251. Okay, so here we go. Well, right off we can see 6 doesn't divide into this number evenly because 2 doesn't. So we're done. We don't even have to check and see if 3 divides into the number evenly. In order for a number to be divisible by 6, 2 has to divide into the number evenly and 3. They both do. Since the 2 doesn't, that's it. We don't have to check anymore. Alright, but for fun, let's just go ahead and see what happens. Let's see if 3 does go into this number. So that's going to be 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Well, look at there. 3 divides into the number evenly, but still 6 doesn't because 2 doesn't divide. It doesn't work if just one of them does. Okay, they both have to divide into the number evenly, the number 2 and the number 3. So let's try this one, 2,342. All right, see if you can determine if 6 divides into this number evenly. All right, so let's see if you get it right. All right, well, we know 2 does, so that works. It's an even number. 2 divides into the number evenly. Well, now let's check and see if 3 does. So I'll sum up the digits, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. So 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Well, we know that 4 does not divide into 11 evenly, okay? Because we would have a remainder, let's see, 11 divided by 4. Well, that goes in there twice. We've got 8, and we're left with a remainder of 3. So 3 does not divide into it evenly, so that means 6 does not divide into the number evenly. Alright, so I hope this video helped. Check out my other videos, share it, give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.